Okay, here's Zach and his brand new jumper that we got for him. He's just 4 months old, just over 4 months old. He's so excited.
And a lot of favorites hanging around for more.
Zach, jump, jump, jump.
This is so really good. I'm gonna be honest with you, Tom. I mean, I'm a basketball fan. I don't really watch as much TV as I probably should. As a good American, I probably should watch more TV than I do.